Right now, there are millions of people working every single day, waking up early, coming home tired, and still feeling stuck financially. Not because they're lazy, not because they're incapable, but because no one ever taught them how money actually works. If you're starting from zero, no savings, no investments, no financial safety net, this is not the end of your story. It's the beginning. Because today, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint I would follow if I had to build wealth from absolute zero. No hype, no shortcuts, no gambling mindset, just a system. I'm Tom, and this is Tom Invests, where we turn financial confusion into financial clarity. And if you stay until the end of this video, you'll realize something powerful. Wealth is not luck. Wealth is structure. Step 1. Control your cash flow. Before investing, before dreaming about passive income, before thinking about becoming rich, you need control. Most people don't have an income problem, they have a spending problem. They spend first and save what's left. And usually, nothing is left. For the next 30 days, track every dollar, every coffee, every subscription, every impulse purchase. Not to judge yourself, but to understand your behavior. Because awareness creates control, and control creates freedom. Create a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is where wealth begins. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected bills, medical expenses, job loss. If you don't have savings, you go into debt, and debt destroys momentum. Build 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Keep it safe. Keep it accessible. This is not about growth. This is about stability, and stability gives you confidence. Step 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. If you're paying 18 or 20% interest on credit cards, that is your biggest enemy. Investing while carrying high-interest debt is like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. You work hard, but you stay in the same place. Pay it off aggressively, because eliminating 20% interest is a guaranteed 20% return. No investment can promise that. Destroy the debt, free your future. Step 4. Invest consistently. You do not need to predict the next big stock. You do not need to time the market. You need discipline. Invest into diversified, low-cost index funds. For example, funds tracking the S&P 500 have historically grown steadily over long periods of time. Not every year, not every month, but over time. And time is your greatest advantage. Automate your investments. Make it automatic. Remove emotion from the equation, because consistency beats intelligence every single time. Step 5. Increase your income. This is where most people underestimate their potential. You cannot save your way to wealth if your income is limited. You must grow. Learn valuable skills. Improve your communication. Negotiate your salary. Start a side project. Build something scalable. Your income is the engine. Your investments are the accelerator. The stronger the engine, the faster you move. Invest in yourself, because your ability to earn is your most powerful asset. Step 6. Master patience. This is where most people fail. They want fast money, fast results, fast success. But wealth is built slowly, quietly, through repetition, through discipline, through time. Markets will crash. News will scare you. People around you will panic. Stay calm. Stay consistent. Stay invested. Time in the market is more powerful than timing the market, and patience turns small amounts into life-changing wealth. Let me be clear. This will not make you rich next month. It won't impress people tomorrow. But 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you will look back and realize this was the moment everything changed. Because most people never start, and even fewer stay consistent. But you can. Now I want to hear from you. Are you starting from zero, or are you already building momentum? Comment below and tell me where you are on your financial journey. I read the comments and I reply. Let's build a strong community here on Tom Invests. If this video gave you clarity, hit the like button. It helps this message reach more people who need financial direction. And if you're serious about building real, long-term wealth, subscribe to Tom Invests. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next blueprint. Because here, we don't chase hype. We build freedom. I'm Tom, and I'll see you in the next one.